All right, so 3 weeks ago, I spent a couple hours, like 2 hours. I had probably 12 pounds of chicken breast, so I made fillets and breaded those for later, wrapped them individually, froze them, and kept them in the freezer. I also made chicken cordon bleus, which are chicken breast pounded out, filled with Swiss cheese and ham, rolled, and then breaded. And I use cornstarch in my breading because it makes a really, really crispy skin. So that's what I'm having tonight. I've got my prepared cordon bleu here. And now I'm going to make my Hollandaise sauce. And I want to show you guys this really quick recipe for Hollandaise sauce that doesn't require you stand over a double boiler, any of that. So I've got 2 egg yolks separated from the whites and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Yes, I put salt in this. And now I'm going to put some lemon juice. It calls for about a tablespoon. With lemon juice, I want to be really safe because it is a very strong taste. And I want to make sure I'm getting just the right taste in my Hollandaise. So I'm going to go with less to start. I got a seed in there, sorry. I thought I got all the seeds out. I'm going to go with less to start, and then I'll work my way through adding more if needed. And I've got a 1/4 cup of butter melted in the microwave. Melted it for about 45 seconds. And I've got my immersion blender, which I love. Got it on Amazon 5 years ago. Use it all the time. I'm going to start by sticking it in there with the eggs and start whipping them. Okay. Now the egg yolks are very thoroughly whipped. I'm going to now start pouring my butter very slowly into the mixture. Just keep whipping. It'll eventually completely emulsify into a beautiful Hollandaise sauce. Get the rest of that in there. And work with both hands. It'll come up thick, lush, perfect flavor. We're going to taste test it to see if we need to add any more lemon. Lemon is what not only gives it flavoring, but it helps emulsify the fat and it helps cut the fat. Sorry, I used my finger. Just a tad more lemon. It helps cut the fat of the butter because there is a lot of fat with the butter and the egg yolks. They're so lush. All right. Mixed up really well. And I'm going to say that's the perfect. So let me pull this off of here. All right, I'm going to stick this over in the sink. Taste it again. Perfect. You can see this is enough. If you were making eggs Benedict, you would double this recipe because I don't think you can ever have enough Hollandaise sauce. I would serve this over asparagus. I'd serve it with the chicken cordon bleu like I'm doing now. And I drenched my chicken, I'm sorry. I love this sauce. I think it's amazing. I make it whenever I have a brunch. I make it for eggs Benedict. Put a little parsley on top just to make it pretty. And that's it. Let me go ahead and cut into this so everybody can see. Oh, it turned out gorgeous. The chicken breast. It's really, really hot because it just came out of the fryer. But I'm going to go ahead and dip a bite. Oh, perfect. Hi, Dixie. Dixie agrees. So that's it for tonight, everyone. That's my dinner and my quick and easy Hollandaise sauce. 2 egg yolks, a pinch of salt, about the juice of a half a lemon, and a 1/4 cup of butter. And that makes you that little pool of sauce. If you don't use a lot of it, you could get 2 servings. But I'm going to make 1 serving out of it. So thanks, everyone. Have a great weekend.